We are going to take a look at a Casolin T60 4-foot by 8-foot cold press. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Casolin T60 cold press has a 47 by 98 inch capacity with a 25 inch thickness capacity. It is capable of producing 60 tons of pressure with its 2.2 kilowatt hydraulic pack. The pressure is adjustable and it does have a built-in timer.